In the vast expanse of space, Earth is but a tiny blue dot. But in 2023, that dot changed dramatically. A year of extremes, a year of records broken, and a year that would forever change our perspective of our home planet. The summer heat sizzled like never before, setting a new high in the annals of climatic history. The El Niño climate pattern, a natural phenomenon, cast its long, unpredictable shadow, exacerbating the already sweltering temperatures. Wildfires raged with unprecedented ferocity, their fiery tongues lapping up everything in their path. One such wildfire left the town of Lahaina in Hawaii, a mere smudge of its former self, virtually erased from the face of the earth. The once picturesque town, nestled amidst nature's bounty, fell victim to the relentless onslaught of the flames. But it wasn't just the heat that made its mark. The El Niño climate pattern, with its warming influence, stirred the waters of the Pacific Ocean, setting the stage for more extreme weather events. No corner of our planet was spared, from the fiery destruction in Lahaina to the chilling records set in Antarctica. The oceans, covering more than 70% of Earth, play a vital role in our climate. In 2023, they showed us their power. Imagine a world where the stream that carries warmth from the tropics to the poles, the Gulf Stream, comes to a halt. This might sound like the plot of a science fiction movie, but in 2023, researchers suggested that this ocean circulation pattern could shut down by 2025. This potential shutdown isn't just about altering the course of a waterway. It's about the extreme climate shifts that could ensue. With the Gulf Stream's potential cessation, we could see dramatic weather events, from more intense heat waves to colder winters. Now let's journey to the Pacific Ocean, where the warming El Niño pattern emerged in 2023. This pattern, known for causing climatic disruptions, isn't just a meteorological phenomenon. It's the ocean flexing its muscles. The El Niño can contribute to extreme weather events such as wildfires and heat waves, impacting not just marine life but also terrestrial ecosystems and human communities. But the ocean's role doesn't stop at climate. They're also architects sculpting the Earth's surface. In 2023, an undersea volcano erupted off the coast of Japan, giving birth to a new island. This event is a testament to the ocean's power and the dynamic nature of our planet. The ocean floor isn't a static canvas, but a vibrant, changing landscape. Volcanic eruptions underneath the ocean surface remind us of the Earth's ever-evolving nature and the ocean's role in shaping it. The ocean's silent roar echoed across the globe, from the Pacific's El Niño to the potential cessation of the Gulf Stream. The oceans showed us their power in 2023, from influencing climate patterns to shaping the Earth's surface. As we move forward, let's remember the vital role these vast bodies of water play, and how intricately our lives are tied to their ebbs and flows. On land, the effects of climate change were equally devastating. It was as if nature was crying out, the land bearing the scars of our actions. And nowhere was this more apparent than in the once lush and verdant expanses of Canada. In the summer of 2023, Canada experienced wildfires on a scale that was unprecedented, painting the sky with hues of red and orange. The fires raged, their fury fueled by the extreme heat, reducing vast swaths of forest to ash. But the impact of these wildfires was not confined to Canada alone. The dense smog and pollution that they churned out drifted across borders, blanketing the U.S. East Coast in a haze. The air quality deteriorated, the skies darkened, and a sense of unease settled over the region. But as we grappled with the fires and their aftermath, the Earth had another surprise in store. This time it was not fire, but the very ground beneath our feet that was the harbinger of destruction. An earthquake of devastating proportions struck Turkey and Syria, shaking the foundations of these ancient lands. The power of this seismic event was such that it tore open a fissure in the Earth's crust, a gaping wound stretching 190 miles long. This was not a random act of nature. It was a manifestation of the stress and strain that our planet is under, a stark reminder of the impact of climate change, and a warning of what lies ahead if we continue down this path. From the dense forests of Canada to the ancient lands of Turkey and Syria, climate change left its mark. It was a year that saw the Earth change in ways that were both profound and alarming, a year that underscored the urgency of addressing the climate crisis. Because the Earth, our home, is crying out for help, and it's high time we listened. Our actions as humans have consequences that reach far beyond our immediate environment. We're not just inhabitants of this planet, we're an influential part of its dynamic system. a force that can tip the scales in ways both subtle and dramatic. One such example is the effect of our groundwater extraction on the Earth's rotational axis. Now you might be wondering, how does taking water out of the ground affect something as monumental as the spin of our planet? Well, it's all about balance. Picture a spinning top. If you were to somehow shift the weight inside that top, it would start to wobble, right? Similarly, our planet maintains its stable rotation through a delicate balance of weight distribution. When we extract groundwater, we're essentially redistributing that weight. The water we pull from deep underground doesn't just disappear. It's used in our homes, in agriculture, in industry, and eventually most of it ends up in the oceans. This mass relocation from land to sea subtly shifts the balance of our planet, causing it to wobble slightly on its axis, an event known as polar motion. From a space science perspective, this is a big deal. Polar motion affects everything from GPS accuracy to our climate. It's not about the Earth spinning out of control or anything catastrophic like that. It's more about the ripple effects, the subtle changes that can have significant impacts over time. In the summer of 2023, we saw firsthand the effects of these subtle changes. The hottest on record, it was a summer marked by extreme weather events, from wildfires to heat waves, which were in part driven by our own actions. We've seen the impact of our actions, from the water we draw from the ground to the smoke we send into the sky. It's clear that we, as humans, have a profound influence on our planet, and with that power comes responsibility, but that's a topic for our next scene. In the face of such dramatic changes, what is our response? We are not helpless spectators in this cosmic drama. We hold the power to change the narrative, to rewrite the script, to ensure a sustainable future for our planet. It begins with each one of us. Small changes in our daily routines can make a significant difference. Consider reducing your carbon footprint. We can do this by opting for public transportation, recycling, or even something as simple as switching off the lights when we leave a room. Support scientific research. These brilliant minds are our best hope in understanding the changes our planet is undergoing and how best to address them. They need our support, our curiosity, and our engagement. Engage with your community. Raise awareness about these pressing issues. Remember, every conversation matters. Every action counts. The Earth is changing, and we must change with it. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about how we can protect our blue dot, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts on how we can combat climate change. Stay tuned for more space and Earth insights.